Download my new album off of Spotify and iTunes. Now it's over 48 hours of non-stop Pan Flute. Oh, hi! I didn't see you there. Welcome to my Pan Flute parlor. Today we're going to learn how to play the Pan Flute and know lots of tips and tricks for when you want to play your Pan Flute to your friends and family. One of my personal favorites, and a classic, is going to be Megalovania from Undertale. And we begin. Our next song will be a beautiful concerto piece called I Don't Want to Miss a Thing by the esteemed band Aerosmith. Our next song is going to be a popular hit by Gym Class Heroes and Adam Levine. Stereo Hearts. Now, to get on to our tips and tricks, I'm going to teach you how to vape flute, as what the younger generation likes to call it, also known as my generation. These are vapes that I've acquired from my faggot brother's room. Now, let's give these a whirl. This is good to use as a mating call to let other pan fluters in the area know that you are gay and ready to take it up the ass anytime. Check back next week at the Pan Flute parlor and we will discuss the ancient teachings that come from the Peruvian Peninsula.